Hello, welcome to DraftSight 2024 What's New Feature Highlights. My name is Scott Blackwell and I'm a senior application engineer with 16 plus years of experience working at CAD Dimensions. In total, I have 30 plus years of experience using various 2D and 3D CAD software packages. In this video, I'm going to be talking about the What's New features for 2024 DraftSight. 1. There is a new measure geometry command. 2. You can now multi-select files and folders to add as a reference to your drawings. 3. There's a new export sheet command. This allows you to save out a viewport from a paper space as a separate 2D file. 4. There is a new tool palette functionality within DraftSight that allows you to organize your commands better. 5. There is a make flat snapshot command which takes the 3D object and can convert it to a 2D file. 6. There is a new view navigator. This tool allows you to orient your 3D objects in DraftSight much easier. 7. There is a new layer manager palette. This has been added to the new tool palette within DraftSight. In addition to the layer manager palette itself, number 8, there is a merge layer command added to it to allow you to clean up your layers easier and merge items to other layers. And then lastly, number 9 is the ability to reshape the hatches. This allows you to mold and stretch the boundaries for your hatch patterns easier. Let's start off by talking about the measure geometry command. In 2024 DraftSight, you can now quickly access angle, area, distance, and radius measure tools through the new measure geometry command flyout. This saves time rather than accessing them through the command line. The next feature is the new reference manager. You can get to it through the insert block toolbar and reference manager button. This enables you to select multiple files and or folders and insert them as external references to the drawing file. If you are a fan of the command line like me, you can type references at the bottom of the application. Upon doing this, you can select drawings, images, folders, PDFs, etc. For my example, I'm going to attach multiple drawings to this file. In 2024 DraftSight, you can now export all visible entities from an active sheet viewport in Paperspace and include items from the sheets to a new drawing file. Please note you must select the viewport first, like I've done, before executing the export sheet command. To get to this export sheet button, you will need to click on the Sheet tab and Viewports ribbon. There you will find the export sheet control. The next and probably my favorite feature for 2024 DraftSight is tool palettes. To get to the tool palette, click Insert tab followed by Tool Palettes button. You can now neatly organize your favorite commands within palettes and save them. Part of the configuration also allows you to add custom tabs and separator titles. Notice my separator says Awesome Tool Palette. To add command to your custom palette, simply copy from one tab and paste within your tab. In 2024, there is now a new Makes Flat Snapshot button. It's under Insert, and then under the block ribbon you'll find Make Flat Snapshot. From there you can either insert a block, replace an existing block, or export to a file. I'm going to choose to export to a file and choose the location for it. Now you can, in addition to, also select the foreground, and that includes line color and line style. You can also choose whether or not to show the hidden lines or not. I'm going to not show the hidden lines because it clutters the screen. Notice now that the file is a flat 2D object. The next feature is the View Navigator control. The widget is visible or not by clicking the View tab followed by the View Navigator button. Now you can control and snap to predefined views for flexible visualization of your 3D object. In addition to the custom tools palettes you can configure in 2024, there is now a layer manager palette. To get to it, you're going to the Home tab and clicking Layer Manager on the Layers ribbon. What makes this nicer than conventional ribbon bar is now you can either float the palette or dock/lock it on the side. When it's floating, the palette will automatically minimize once outside the panel. By locking the palette, one will permanently see the panel while they are working inside DraftSight. In 2024 DraftSight, there is a new Merge Layer function. For this demonstration, notice the CAD Dimensions text is on the text layer. My goal is to merge this layer to a new layer called CAD Dimensions and delete the text layer. I'm going to go to the Home tab, followed by clicking a combo box to the right of the Layer dropdown on the Layers ribbon. One of the selections is Merge Layer. The Merge Layer dialog will appear. On the left side is the layers to select and be merged. The right shows the layers to be merged with. I'm going to click the Delete Merge Layers checkbox under Layers to Merge. On the right, I'm going to click the checkbox for New Layer. The name entered is CAD Dimensions. I'm going to go back to the left side and select the text layer. Once I click OK, the CAD Dimensions text is now on the new CAD Dimensions layer, and the layer named Text is gone. I can now control the CAD Dimensions layer's visibility and color. This will affect all objects on this new layer, such as CAD Dimensions text. The last new item for DraftSight 2024 is the ability to easily reshape the region where a hatch pattern is contained. Upon clicking the polyline, a series of grips will appear. These boxes, or grips, allow the user to easily stretch and shape the boundaries for the hatch pattern. This is especially useful for construction designs that show dirt, for example.